So, aliens. Almost everyone is familiar with the concept of aliens, from fake UFO videos and History Channel documentaries to blockbuster sci-fi movies, and most recently, the Area 51 march. But for people who are not familiar with the concept of aliens, let's start from the beginning. The word aliens entered into the minds of the people with the popular term UFO, meaning unidentified flying object. This word was introduced around the year 1950. Though it supports the concept of extraterrestrial beings, many UFO images that we see are considered fake, hoax, and was told that people who claimed they saw it were either high or drunk. But some people never failed to believe in this and started researching on this topic to find more about the flying saucers and the pilots behind them. As the years went by, the images of the aliens slowly started to take place in the minds of the people through movies like The War of the Worlds in 1953, Aliens, E.T., Aliens vs Predators, Arrival, Body Snatchers, The Thing, The Close Encounters of the Third Kind, and so on. These movies, which became huge blockbusters, familiarized people with the concept of aliens.
Why are you here, Paul?
I was here on a science mission actually, and then I had some spaceship-related problems, and I kind of crashed.
Now, this was the time when the rumors began to spread. Rumors about a particular base called Area 51 in the Nevada state of US. It is a 11,600 acre rectangular base. Though the American government claims it to be just a training range and an experimental aircraft base, people still have suspicions on what's going on underneath. It is said that they have captured real alien lives inside and performing live experiments on them, while also trying to find their whereabouts as to why they came to visit Earth in the first place. Entering into the Area 51 facility is an impossible task as it is filled with snipers and there are constant aircraft surrounding the base watching every movement you make. Just to make sure you get it, the facility is filled with barricades and no trespassing signs all over the base. In fact, they even have the right to shoot any person who enters into this base, no questions asked. Some people also say that this is the place where they faked the moon landing, but that's a different topic. When it comes to the concept of aliens, I lean more towards the theories of Eric von Daniken, who is considered to be the author of the famous book Chariots of Gods. He is the co-founder of the Archaeology, Astronautics and SCTI Research Association. According to him, aliens don't have big heads with bulgy eyes. He says that aliens resemble the images of Hindu gods. He believes that they are not gods but extraterrestrial beings who visited the planet Earth. And the books, stories and religions from which we define ourselves are from these drawings of aliens. He also says that the chariots in which the gods used to fly from one place to another were in fact real, just like our modern airplanes. In the book Chariots of Gods, there is a chapter titled Was God an Astronaut? This theory is well supported by the image of a spacesuit in a church built in the year 1513 in Spain, which showed the exact resemblance of a spacesuit, though they were invented only in the year 1961. This indeed proves that God was actually an astronaut. According to his research, he says that the gods we are worshipping in our daily lives are just human beings who are far more advanced than us. This shows the mindset of every human being. We look towards people who are better than us, people who does things that we can't do. So when we see such beings entering our Earth in a mysterious spaceship or an aircraft, being unable to explain these modern technologies, we started calling them as gods and started worshipping them. And just like every person having an individual color of their own, white, black, brown, they were blue. So the point I'm trying to make is this, that not only does aliens exist, but they visited Earth and the gods we are worshipping every day are examples of alien life forms. Based on a recent research, it is said that the only way to communicate to an extraterrestrial being is through mathematics.
Now, maybe because 70% of the planet speaks other languages. Mathematics is the only truly universal language center. It's no coincidence that they're using primes.
So as a wise man once said, mathematics is the language with which God has written the universe.